Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And if anyone's here for the first time, please click down the link below and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so that you don't miss anything. I'm Chinmay and today's video is an exciting one. Alright, have you ever thought of people who actually write the same assignment in MS Word and even though they are changing their devices? Are you getting it? Okay, let's be simple. Here's an example. Some people say a student who writes a college assignment and due to some or the other issues, he may has to change his PC. But with that itself, he's able to retrieve those files that he had been working as a college assignment in that PC. Well, how do these people do it? They don't share the files, neither they send links attached to it. Well, some people may say, well, you just need to share the link of the video through the Google Drive or share it through the Gmail. Well, that's right. But you can't share any video in Gmail which exceeds 25 MB. But this one's better. Even if they want to share any video, they have to follow the same criteria. Well, then what is the solution? Well, the answer is making a site. There are plenty of companies that can help you build your own site, but one thing you can't do is make changes to it. Even if you can, you must pay for making such sites. So here's an exclusive site which can help you very much. So let's begin. You just open the browser and then type in www.protectedtext.com. Yep, that's right, protectedtext.com. This is what I'm talking about. And slash the name of the site you want to create. And just I'm going to give it a name as Chinmay script. And then it says you need to create a site. And hence you're going to create a site and then you can use it further for assignments, projects or script writings, etc. And then save the file whenever you need and create a password so that only you and your people can access to this site. That's it. And then whenever you want, you can just go to the browser and then type in protectedtext.com slash the name of your assignment. And that too, your assignment will be saved in the front page. So isn't that cool and simple enough? If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and then please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video.